Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can record sounds on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So in order to do that, we need to use a recorder app. Let's open the app drawer and then you should be able to find the recorder app. If you go over here, you will be greeted with the welcome message. Of course, you need to allow recorder to record audio, so we can choose while using the app, and we don't really need to be sent we don't really need notifications to be sent. We can allow access to music and audio, and now we can start recording our sounds. So tap on this red button over here in order to start recording. You will be asked to grant permission. So let's press yes, and then choose recorder and allow do not disturb and confirm. Now let's go back. Let's not allow notifications. And there we go. Now we are recording a sound. If you want to stop, then you have this pause button over here. If you want to pause, then we have the pause button. You can resume by pressing the play button. And if you want to stop and save the recording, you have this stop button right next to it, this square. And there we go. Now we can set the title for the for our recording. So I'm gonna do sound. There we go. And now we can just confirm. We can add to folder if we want to. We can delete the recording if we don't want it after all, and we can press save in order to save the recording. And then we can listen to our recording over here. Tap on these three dots in order to find more options like rename, delete, details, and so on and so forth. And you can also tap on these three lines over here in the top left corner to find the list of all recordings, your favorites, trash, and folders. And you also have settings over here where you can adjust for instance, the quality of the recording and the recording format, and so on and so forth. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.